Canon Rebel T7 Review. Is this the beginner DSLR bundle that'll actually make you look pro? Let's be honest, you dropped cash on a starter camera and expected magic, but instead? You're fumbling with settings you don't understand, missing every fleeting moment, and dealing with menus more confusing than your ex's mixed signals. Whether you're just starting out or stuck in creative limbo, the frustration is real. Nothing kills your confidence faster than gear that makes you feel like a noob. You're watching tutorials, tweaking settings, and still, meh photos. The vibe? Overwhelmed. The goal? Pro-looking pics without an engineering degree. Sound familiar? You're not lazy, you've just been handed the wrong tools. Until now. Because then the pressure hits. You promised the squad pics at golden hour. Your bestie wants birthday content. Someone's engagement is happening right now, and you're stuck with gear that turns every shoot into a stress spiral. You're watching your dream moments pass like memories because your current camera can't keep up. Blur City. Lagging AF. Memory cards gaslighting you. It's not just disappointing, it's soul-sucking. The gap between what you see and what you capture becomes this impossible wall. And then comes the burnout, maybe photography isn't for me. But let's get one thing clear, the problem isn't your passion, it's your setup. Say hello to your new creative glow-up, Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera bundle. This beast isn't just beginner-friendly, it's wow, I actually look legit now friendly. With a 24.1 MP CMOS sensor and a Digic 4 Plus image processor, this kit delivers rich color, clean edges, and sharpness that pops, without making you Google what is ISO every 5 seconds. You get not one but two 64GB SanDisk cards, wide and telephoto lenses, filters, tripods, and even an external flash. Translation: everything you need to crush your next shoot is in the box. Weddings? Covered. Instagram Reels? Handled. Family portraits? Too easy. Rebel T7 doesn't just make you look like a pro, it makes you feel like one. What really slaps? Simplicity. The T7's built-in Wi-Fi and NFC let you post fire shots without detouring through your laptop. The 3-inch LCD gives you a crystal clear view. Autofocus? Snappy and reliable. And it shoots full HD 1080p video, which means you're covered for both YouTube and TikTok. No more switching gear mid-project. And if you're worried about being just another amateur? Don't. Thousands of creators, bloggers, and hobbyists swear by this setup. This isn't a basic cam. It's a full-blown content creation station, without the heavy DSLR price tag. Hit that play button and see it in action. You'll feel the upgrade before you even click buy. Ready to stop messing around with gear that holds you back? Now's your shot, literally. Stock on this bundle goes fast, seriously, blink and it's gone, and the reviews don't lie, people are leveling up like crazy. So why not you? Don't let another shoot flop because your gear isn't keeping up. Don't settle for almost right when you could have nailed it. Click that link, grab the Rebel T7 bundle, and unlock your potential. This isn't just a camera, it's your creative license. Act now, join the thousands leveling up, and finally create content you're proud of. Let's go, legend.